CIIE has created a very big global platform that is friendly to the other nations which wants to come and do their businesses in China. It enhances the inflow and matchmaking of the manufacturers who are doing manufacturing in Kenya and China, so that there will be an inflow and outflow of businesses in terms of partnerships. CIIE is very fundamental to us because our Kenyan businesses from the agriculture sector, and when I say agriculture sector, we have one of the best coffee in the world. We have also the teas, which now we are encouraging our tea farmers, also our tea manufacturers to change maybe their tea manufacturing to be able to fit the Chinese standards in a way of handling it and maybe manufacturing it. We are looking at it in a way that it will help our Kenyan businesses to be able to meet the partners in China to do the matchmaking. We from the Kenya Chamber of Commerce, we represent the Kenyan businesses, and we would really wish to have a chance to partner with CIIE this year and in the coming years.